I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint on CPGRAMS. This online platform, the centralized public grievance redress and monitoring system, empowers citizens to raise concerns against various government departments and ministries. It offers a transparent and efficient way to seek solutions for service delivery issues. We will go through the essential steps, from creating your account to submitting your grievance and monitoring its progress, ensuring your voice is heard effectively. Before lodging a complaint, you must register on the CPGRAMS portal. First, navigate to the official website. Look for the Sign Up option to initiate the registration process. You will need to fill out a form with accurate personal details, including your name, address, mobile number, and email address. After submitting, verify your account using the one-time password sent to your registered mobile number or email, completing your registration. Once registered, log in to your CPGRAMS account. On the home page, locate and click the Lodge Public Grievance option. Carefully fill in the grievance form, providing all necessary details about your complaint, including the specific government department involved and a clear description of the issue. You can also upload supporting documents, such as receipts or screenshots, ensuring each file is under 1 megabyte in size. After successfully submitting your grievance, you will receive a unique registration identification number. Keep this number safe, as it is crucial for tracking your complaint status on the CPGRAMS portal. Once your grievance is resolved and closed, you can provide feedback on the resolution. If you are not satisfied with the outcome, the portal allows you to file an appeal within 30 days of the resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.